Hello guys, good afternoon. I'm Adeda Israman Timtape. I'm a mechatronics student at Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University, Bauchi. Yeah, what we have here with us today is a device. What it does basically is it helps us monitor the air quality at a specified place, which we designed it for a data center. So the data center, we know most of our gadgets are damaged by dust, maybe outbreak of fire also. So we want to be able to anticipate this, predict it, or get the notification early on. So we created this device. We have the dust sensor, we have the smoke sensor, we have the DHT sensor, that's the temperature and humidity sensor, we have the flame sensor, and we have a voltage sensor, which we forgot to put the inputs here so it can start taking the measurement. So what this does basically is it collects all this data, then it transfers it to the IoT cloud. So in the IoT cloud, we can see the readings. Here is the temperature widget. So we use the gauge and we also have the graph. So if you want to see how the temperature varies. So now here at Bauchi, we are at 31 point something degrees. The humidity is about 15. Yeah, and then the air quality is about, that's the smoke, right? We don't have any smoke, so this is very, very, very low compared to the maximum range that we set for it. Then this is for voltage, because there's no input. That's why you can see how haphazard it looks. Then the dust, the dust. Here's the dust. We have dust for that means we don't have any dust, like close to nothing. So this is negligible. Then we have the sine wave graph gotten from that. I think we should be able to get the graph from an hour ago if it's going to load on time. The network is kind of not very helpful, so we can get the live readings. You can see starting again. But if we go to an hour day back, we should be able to get a full wave. So this is the dashboard, and we also have our code somewhere here. So this is our code here. So we'll not be able to go through our code line by line, so definitely, because it's about 500 and something lines of code. So basically we just scroll through. So this is what it does. These are the functions we have here. We have send email alerts. It reads all sensor, it processes dust sensor, it prints sensor values, it sends SMS alert. So in case we have thresholds, if it exceeds those thresholds, it has to send an alert to the handler. So you will know, okay, there's an issue going on. Let's say there's smoke. Okay, you can quickly go there and stop the fire if there's a fire outbreak also. So that's basically what it does. Thank you for listening, and I may not do that. Bye.